All right, viewers, we are getting in updates from the national capital. A high-level meeting between Dr. Jaishankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has concluded, and that is the breaking news we have right now. This is a high-level meeting that was chaired today, and there were multiple many topics on the agenda that were discussed. We will get you more updates as to what was discussed in this meeting in the national capital. And remember, this coming in amidst the attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh, and of course also Chinmoy Das's arrest and illegal arrest. And we'll get you more details on that. My colleague Krutar joins us live on the broadcast from the newsroom. Krutar, tell us more details about this meeting between Jaishankar and Prime Minister Modi.
Yes, Rakshita, and this meeting could immediately after Dr. Jaishankar landed back in India after his G7 meeting in Italy, meeting other foreign ministers. But what we have is here a source-based information that Bangladesh matter was likely discussed between External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Prime Minister Modi. This is, of course, source-based information, but it is more than likely that the developments that have happened in Bangladesh in the last 24 hours have been closely monitored by the PMO and has now also been briefed by the External Affairs Minister himself. We also saw a sparring of words between the Ministry of External Affairs and the Foreign Ministry of Bangladesh yesterday, where both of them exchanged and expressed concerns about the situation in Bangladesh, specifically concerning around Chinmay Prabhu. Earlier this morning also we reported that the case to ban ISKCON, which was brought up in a High Court yesterday in Bangladesh, has also been withdrawn, and the High Court in Bangladesh has ordered the government to maintain the law and order situation and take control of the matter. So big developments coming in early this morning from Bangladesh. The ISKCON row is also now increasingly becoming bigger, with more and more global voices joining in. But now Prime Minister Modi also having a conversation possibly with Dr. S. Jaishankar on the developments in Bangladesh is something that we are getting from sources at this morning.
And on the same, thank you so much, Krutar, for joining us with those details coming in. We'll keep a track of more details on that meeting. But right now, we will be getting in more breaking news as we speak. This with regards to Maharashtra. Now, ahead of Mahayuti leaders meeting in the evening with BJP top brass, we're getting to know that the BJP president, JP Nadda, is right now holding a meeting with the Prime Minister in Parliament. So, of course, back-to-back meetings for the Prime Minister first with Dr. Jaishankar, and now JP Nadda, the BJP president, is briefing the Prime Minister. Of course, this is coming in right ahead of that meeting of Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis with the JP Nadda and Amit Shah. Remember, of course, the BJP top brass has to decide over the who will be the chief minister. That's what Eknath Shinde said, that I leave it to the Prime Minister. My colleague Harsha joins us on the broadcast for more. Harsha, tell us more details about this meeting. What can we expect? And Eknath Shinde, of course, had made it clear that he has no problem. There are going to be no roadblocks from his side, and it's up to the BJP top brass to decide.
Yes, you rightly pointed out, Raksha. That's a very important meeting today, which is going to happen late evening, national capital, where Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar, and also Praful Patel and Devendra Fadnavis will be meeting HM both the PM. And right now we have got to a very important meeting. Key meeting is being held in the room of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP National President JP Nadda is meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is also a very key meeting ahead of the Mahayuti meeting, which is scheduled to happen late in the evening, because right now what is being said is that still there is no consensus. However, we have got to know from our sources the format is going to be the same, one CM and two deputy CM. But yes, after late meeting of Vinod Tawade and HM, it is crystal clear that there are some different voices in the BJP as well. So BJP wants to consult the higher hierarchy and also the senior leadership on all the prospects of who should be named the CM and what should be the status on deputy CM, because it is also being said that the Eknath Shinde could be offered the deputy CM also, and one cabinet post in the center. But what's going to happen? And also this meeting is also key, keeping in mind that there's daily disruption in the parliament from the Congress. Continuously they're demanding to have a detailed discussion on on Adani issue. So several issues on which this meeting is happening. It's already been 20 minutes the meeting started.
Okay, Asha, right. We'll get you we'll of course keep a track of developments and keep coming back to you for more updates ahead of that meeting of the Mahayuti.